Hey. Didn't know you were riding.
Clay wants me on the relay.
Larry with the kids?
The kids are fine, Jackson.
I got it.
I can take it.
I said I got it. Where the hell were you guys? And you just let him... No, you just wait there. Done enough goddamn damage today.
What?
Bounty hunters. Just picked up Tig.
The hell for?
They didn't stop to say. Half-sacks trailing him.
Jesus Christ. How does that happen?
Ask the Jew in leather.
They've been in the hospital. Bounty hunters will pay admins to call in names of nefarious types.
If Tig had an outstanding warrant, I'd know about it.
Might be out of state. Bounty's big enough they could be hauling his ass to Maine.
We gotta go after him.
We got a delivery to make.
Hey, the bondsmen have no jurisdiction. There's nothing to stop us taking him back.
What's stopping us is 6 bedrolls full of illegal handguns.
We go after him now, we got a chance. He crosses state lines.
Tig was here, he'd vote to deliver the guns.
We dump the bedroll somewhere safe. Relay gets pushed by a few hours.
We're going.
Maybe we should call a vote.
Vote all you want. I'm delivering the guns.
I got it. I got it.
Some days I can't even get my dick out of my pants.
That's what prospects are for.
Yeah. You all right? Family?
I guess. The road helps. Reminds me of why I signed up for all this bullshit in the first place.
Amen, bro.